So I've received these Saturn II hearing aids. Quick start guide, user manual, a wax guard, came in the packaging, USB-C, USB-C for charging, replaceable tips, more replaceable tips, and then the actual hearing aids. And as you can see, they come in a wonderful case to charge. They are incredibly small and discreet. Very, very lightweight. They're made with a US-made Onsonic chip for superior sound processing and quality. Ports 16 channels, eliminates whistling. The user quick start guide is really, really, really nice and simple to follow. Very intuitive directions. If I flip it over, you can see I can barely even tell that they're in my ears. Like I can't even feel them. They're way more comfortable than like my AirPods. Them and how discreet they are. With my hair down, you wouldn't even be able to see them or notice them. And that's everything that's here. And like I said, it's very well put together, very easy to use. Sound quality is top notch. I mean, just amazing sound quality, and it really is comfortable to wear.